welcome back. So today I'm going to be taking you along for a little beach day in my life. So right now we're about to go on a jet ski excursion, but we're all just kind of finishing getting ready and then we're going to go. The coolest place right now. It's a butterfly sanctuary and there's literally butterflies flying all around me. I'm in awe. I cannot even. Like, this is so crazy. Is this not so cool?
Super cool.
I think this is like crazy. Say hi!
Hello vlog!
Now we're about to head to the beach after eating and doing the butterfly thing, and it's 1 o'clock. So we're in the Margaritaville Cafe and gift shop, just looking around. There's some cute t-shirts and things, but we're so crusty. It's about 4:12 and we're gonna get some appetizers and a drink and cool off, and then we're gonna go back to the room and we're gonna go shower and get ready for dinner. So that should be good. So I'm basically about to brush up my hair a little bit, but as you can tell, I'm pretty burnt. But it's like 5 o'clock and we had like appetizers like later today, and I don't even know where we ate breakfast or lunch. Oh wait, we had lunch. It was really good. We had pizza, but now we're gonna go to the pool and hang out for a little bit. And I wish, can you guys see this knot? My hair hurts so bad. Like, what is that? So I was gonna go back down to the pool, but it's about like 6:10 right now, and I just feel gross, and I think the people, like my family that's down there hanging out at the pool, are about to come back up. So I basically just want to get ready, and so let's go do that. So I'm all ready for dinner, and I'm wearing this outfit with my hair in the little curly hair routine. I didn't like voice over my get ready with me because it was so loud in our condo, like 4 girls getting ready in one condo. It's pretty loud. Also, hold up guys. It is so insanely humid out here that it's just getting so foggy, but this is what I'm wearing. I got this top from a boutique and then these shorts from Aeropostale. And yeah, we're probably gonna take some pictures, but I'll take you guys along for dinner and then all of that. We're on our way to dinner right now, and I don't really know what we're eating, but we all look really cute, and everywhere that we go, it's just so nice. So, virgin shot, guys. It's like juice.
It does taste like juice.
So I'm basically all in my pajamas and stuff, but I have so much stuff laying around that I have to pack up tonight because I probably won't have time tomorrow. And so even though I don't want to do it, all of this mess behind me has to be stuffed back how it was when I first came here. So let's do that. So that is all for today's vlog. I've had a really fun and long day, but it's about midnight now. So I'm probably just gonna go to sleep and read a book and do something, and then we'll go get brunch and do all that in the morning. So make sure to follow the TikTok and Instagram to watch what doesn't get posted on YouTube. But thank you guys so much for watching, and go watch one of these videos right here on the screen. Bye!